Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging, and this time it's a surprise unbagging. And this bag comes from AliExpress. Let's see if I can get it open without ripping anything here. So let's see what is in the bag. All right, let me get it out of its plastic. All right, we have two kits that I got from AliExpress, and I believe they were both under $30, I think, and they're fair good size. So let me get the first one out of its bag. Okay, now I will have the links to both of these in the description box below, so if you're interested. But is that not stunning? You will recognize this. Diane is working on this, my friend, and I thought, you know, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at all those flowers, all the trees. Oh my goodness. And it is a 9 count. And I believe this is a Mona Lisa kit. I'm not real sure. I'm just kind of guessing. It's a 60 by 80. We have at least a paper pattern. Yay. And it is kind of long and skinny. It has 54 colors in 9 count. Oh my goodness. Let's see what colors we have. We have 154, which is mulberry. We have 310 black. We have if I could just talk, 321 red, which is what I call Christmas red. We have 550 purple. Nope, we have 823 and no 939. We have 814, which is a brick red. No 3371. And we have 3865 for the white. Very nice pattern. It might have to be blown up, but very well printed. It is on that shiny type material. I don't know if it's water soluble or not. I haven't had that come along, so not sure. But very well done. Let's take a look inside and see what we have. We have a bag with 2 needles here. And sometimes, let me look on this side, I'm not seeing any as of yet. So all you get as a toolkit are these 2 needles. So let me just set them over there before they get knocked off, and let's look at these gorgeous threads. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Purples, reds, oranges, grays. I was trying to figure out if that was a gray or a blue. There we go. Get my light up so I can see what's going on. You have 2 for the 310 black, so you must use that a lot. 2 for number 28 and 2 for number 29. At least they're all on thread cards. Beautiful, stunning jewel tones. We have lighter colors over here. We have 2 for this darker blue and that brick red. Just absolutely stunning. And you have 3 of them for number 54, which is 3865. Very nice. But look at those blues. Can you ever? Oh my goodness. Do you smell a start coming? Yeah, I do. Always. Let's see if we can, let me move the other one. Oh my goodness, it's kind of heavy. Back it up a little bit so I can open this up. It is serged all the way around, except, I'm sorry, not exactly all the way around, because this side has a salvage edge. So yeah, it almost reminds me of a spring kit. And this is very detailed, very nicely done, nice big key. Just absolutely stunning. Just stunning. And it should go fairly well and fast. Faster than most. Because it is a 9 count, so you're covering more, you know, more ground, if you will. Let me fold this in half. Just absolutely beautiful. Let me hold that up so you can see how well that is printed. Just very nice. Can't get over how big this key is. Just lovely. I don't know that, oh my goodness, maybe baby, I can, holy cow. I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to give it the old college try. The full size canvas is 81.5 centimeters or 32 inches by, nice wide margins, huge. Oh, there it goes. 25 inches or 63.5 centimeters. The actual picture size is 47.5 centimeters or 18.75 inches. And going down, if I can just hang on to it, it's really big. Looks like 69 centimeters or 27, little over 27 inches. So not too big. Not too big, but it's very well done. I am very pleased with this canvas. Very nice. I think that was a good bargain. I think, like I said, I think it was about $25, I want to say. Hold, please. I dropped the whole thing, so yeah. Hang on just a second. Let me get this wound up. All right. Wow. That was a piece of work. But yeah, for what I paid for it, I think it's very well printed and very nice threads. So let's take a look at the next one. It is a spring kit. Give me just a second. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, I am back. Is that not beautiful? Just absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning. And this thread feels like Egyptian cotton. It is an 11 count, I'm sure of it. And so an 11 count, it would be 75 by 100 centimeters. But it's got a green booklet. I'm not real sure. Oh, and it's just all stapled together. So let's see if we can open this up and have luck. So it does have 2 sets of keys. It has a total of, looks like 64 colors. Yeah, so it has full stitch, mixed stitch, 3 half stitches, and 1 back stitch in 898. I don't know if that's a dark purple or what color that is. Let me turn the page. Make sure that there's no other, nope, okay. I didn't know if it continued or whatever. So, not real thrilled about those mixed stitches, but we just deal with it. I haven't had to deal too long with it. This booklet, let me turn it around, is broke up into 9 separate parts. But I just love those blue mountains and that building. And then you have a bridge down here. Just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So let's take a look at the threads. We have 4 needles. 4 needles. Let me see if I can shake this out. It's all wrapped around. We do have an extra bag with extra threads. Yay. Oh, I didn't go through what the colors were, did I? Oh my goodness. We are just losing our mind this week. Oh, crud. Gotta do it this way. It's just, okay. You just gotta take a hike. All right, we have, I don't see 310 here. No. 550. No, 823. No 939. None of these colors do I know. And nowhere do I see 310 black. So, okay. Or 3865 or B5200. So we'll just look at the colors. And it is on one of the tan canvases, which I really love. Sometimes they're difficult to see, but we'll see how this one looks. So we got browns, we got greens, dark green, medium green. Got that lovely pewter color. I must have missed that number. Look at the teals and the blues and more greens. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We have some more blues for those mountains. Lots of shades of green, yellow, green, orange. Kind of a brickish color. Some brown. Look at that peacock blue. Oh, to die for. And what do we have right here? 64 colors. Yep, that's what I said. And where you have just one strand, that means that there is one whole little, we'll call these skeins because they're not hanks. So, and they usually are already pre-cut. But yeah, just beautiful, beautiful colors in this. I want to start on the mountains. But they have way more needles. There's no other parts to a, what do you call it? A toolkit or anything like that. So at least they gave you 4 needles or so. And let's take a look at the canvas. Let me get it out of here. All right, it is 281 by 390 stitches. And what did the paper say? Oh my goodness, I am just doing everything backwards today. Everybody just get up there. There we go. 75 by 100. So let's see. I don't think it's 9 count. See if I can measure right across here, because I'm not sure we can go the other way. 72 and a half. And the actual is, if I can keep a hold of it, everybody's wanting to curl or jump out of my hand today. And this is a partial. It is, actual is 25 inches or 63 and a half centimeters. So very nice. Yeah, I don't think we can go up and down. But yeah, this canvas is very fluid compared to some that I've had. I'm gonna lose those instructions. It'll be ugly. It will be ugly. Let me see here. Oh, goodness. Very nicely printed. Nice. Big key. You have your half cross stitches. You have serging all the way around. Nice, easy to see symbols. So this one will not be hard to look at all. My Watertown memory, I did have a little bit of problem with it, but nice, easy, big symbols. So it is an 11 count. Sorry, I gotta unfold it. So lots of big areas. It doesn't look terribly confettied. Things go more in rivers in this. Just absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And I'm glad it's that loose. I mean, see how I can just crunch it and it'll just stay. It's very fine and very thin-ish. Just beautiful. I love the color of that canvas. And I like the way that they do these pictures. They have 3 or 4 that are within this same look, if you will. So yeah, this is the one I liked the best. So very nice, very nice. All right, guys, that is all for this time for AliExpress. I will start one of these. I'm going to have to make a decision. Oh my goodness. Libra's making a decision. I'm not sure how that's going to go. So yeah, I I kind of, but I don't. All right, guys, join me at 1 for a stitch with me today, and you'll see which one of these two that I will start. Now, I have one more coming from AliExpress, and I'm not sure, you know, how far down the line it is from being here or whatever, so I will unbag it as soon as it gets here. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.